Hello, good day to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Yong Chong. I'm from Malaysian Rubber Board. Today, I'm going to present to you the innovation developed, one of the innovations developed by Malaysian Rubber Board, which is named RRIMSol, or the anti-static footwear. Okay, so for there are three major problem statements why we developed this innovation. First is because of the build-up of the static charges on the human body while performing the duties and work. And this static build-up can lead to the damage of sensitive equipment or components from the electrostatic discharges. And it can also lead to the explosion when handling high flammable materials due to static charges. So in this case, anti-static shoes will provide a pathway to ground the static charges to the ground and to save the sensitive and also expensive equipment, and also to ensure the safety of the operator that handle the flammable materials. And then how do the existing product works or doesn't work? So in the current market, there are basically two types of anti-static shoe soles. One is based on the synthetic rubber, the other one is based on the PVC based sole. So the problem of using the current existing product are inconsistent anti-static property. The second one would be the high hardness. In other words, it would be the poor wearing comfort, and it will lead to fatigue and stress on foot. And then it has a poor aging resistance. And last but not least, the use of the harmful the phthalates such as DOP, which has been banned in many countries, especially in the European country. And the solution and the unique selling point by using our the new innovation, which is the RRIMSol. It has first one, it has excellent and highly consistent anti-static property. And second one, it will be high damping. In other words, the wearer will have a better comfort by wearing this type of shoes. And it has a cost competitive and practical to produce. And then this sole also has an excellent abrasion, which is less than 150 millimeter cube. In other words, it has a very high wearing resistance and durability. And the fifth one will be the high chemical and oil resistant property, which is less than 12% volume sweating. And it can be produced in natural color of rubber, which is non-marking on the floor. And this shoe sole has met the international market requirement, which is a standard BSEN ISO 20345 year 2004. And for the target market and business team, there are two major target market here. The first one will be the manufacturing sectors, which handling the flammable and explosive material. And the second one will be the electronic manufacturing sector. From the data source from Department of Statistics Malaysia, so for the Malaysian export of non-latex product range from year 2017 and 2021, and footwear export value has exceeded ringgit Malaysia 400 million, and it is estimated that 5 to 10% is anti-static footwear. Okay, so it is also expected to increase due to the volume is expected to increase due to the more stringent manufacturing norms and increase in safety awareness globally, and also the automation of manufacturing process driven by the industrial revolution, which is IR 4.0, and the growing numbers of electronic gadgets manufacturing plants, especially in Asian region such as China and India. And the business model is quite simple here. So because of the nature of Malaysian Rubber Board, which is a semi-government body, so we are going to we are going to do the technology transfer, which by licensing, because this innovation already have protected by intellectual properties, which is they have patent and trademarks. And then in return, the potential taker of this innovation will pay back the Malaysian Rubber Board in terms of royalty annually. And for the plan milestone and the market strategy, so here this slide is going to summarize the milestone from 2017 and then to 2023. So for 2017, the formulation at the lab scale already optimized, and then 2019 pilot plant production of the anti-static footwear with RRIMSol, which successfully produced, and then we have successfully completed a product survey in 2021, and then in 2000 we're also expected by end of 2023 the market survey and successful transfer of technology. So we have a previous collaboration strategic cooperation with one of the local shoes manufacturers in 2017 to 2018, which we will focusing on the product prototyping and product survey by potential consumer. And then for the intellectual properties, this innovation has been covered by the Malaysian patent granted, a Chinese patent granted, 2 US patent granted, and also a PCT filing. We also have a trademark for RRIMSol. And then this is the link for the more details about the innovation. And then the purpose of this pitching is we would like to promote the technology and also in the hope to expedite the technology adoption by potential industry player. This is my contact details with my email address and also my office contact number. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much.